welcome to our presentation on the impact of global warming on the Gold Coast. We are the Group 5 in Tutorial A and our team members are shown here. Here's the agenda of our presentation. Now let's start with introduction. Global warming is a persisting global challenge driven by rising greenhouse gas emissions, which cause higher temperatures, irregular rainfall patterns, and more frequent extreme weather events. The impact of climate change are particularly evident in the Gold Coast, one of Australia's most popular tourist destinations. Iconic attractions such as Surfer Paradise, which depend on stable weather and beach conditions, are especially at risk. SDG 13 has a strong impact on the need of immediate action. For the Gold Coast, though essential to guiding climate adaptation strategies to protect the tourism industry and natural environment. The objectives of the presentation are to justify the trend of temperature and rainfall on the Gold Coast, clarify the quantitative and qualitative analysis, and give suitable recommendations.
Hello, I will continue with the expectation of temperature and rainfall trends. Start with the expectation of the temperature trends with global climate model predict a rise in temperature due to the human activities. Global temperature have already rise by 1.1 Celsius since the 19th century and increased up to 4 Celsius by the end of the century. This warming is not uniform with the regions like the Arctic experiencing amplification at the twice of the global rate. Moreover, we are witnessing a rise in extreme heat events which pose serious challenges to ecosystem and human health. Continue with the expectation of the rainfall trends are expected to become variable as the climate warms. Some regions like the northern Australia could experience more intense tropical downpour while others may face extended dry spell. This variable is driven by atmosphere that hold more water vapor as it warms. And the climate phenomena such as El Nino and La Nina are projected to intensify. And lastly, Lisa's Baggett justification, the IPCC 6 assessment report underscore temperature increase up to the 454 Celsius and significantly the rainfall variable by 2100. The study highlighted the Arctic application erratic rainfall in the Australia and intensified precipitation in the wet regions. This finding emphasized the urgency for action and adaptation in the face of the changes. Thank you.
Everyone, so now I'm going to continue about the quantitative analysis. My name is Eunice Stephen Billiard, and today I will explain the quantitative analysis with my partner Yoon. So today I'll present about the results of our renewable analysis on the temperature and rainfall trends over the past 10 years. So now let's start with the temperature. The F statistics is 0.2, the p-value is 0.9, and the F critical is 1.9. Again, with a p-value greater than 0.05, we find no significant change in the temperature trends. Temperature has remained consistent over the last 10 years. For rainfall, the F statistics is 1.6 with a p-value of 0.1 and F critical of 1.9. Since the p-value is greater than 0.05, there is no significant difference in rainfall trends. This means rainfall patterns have been stable over the decade. Globally, rising temperatures and increased rainfall variability were expected. However, our results indicate stability in both temperature and rainfall for the Gold Coast. This contrasts with global trends and highlights localized climate behavior. To conclude, our findings show no significant trends in the temperature or rainfall, emphasizing stability in the Gold Coast region over the past decade. Thank you. I will pass to Yoon.
I will continue explanation for trend that's not aligned with expectations. Let's start with temperature trend. Despite global warming predictions, there's a significant increase over the past 10 years of glucose because like vastly regional factors like oceanic influences, El Nino, La Nina, and sea breezes may moderate warming. The next one is like data limitations. A 10-year period might be too short to reveal long-term temperature changes. Finally, natural climate variability plays a role with oscillations like the Indian Ocean dipole potentially neutralizing a warming effect. Now on to rainfall trends. Similarly, no significant changes were observed, or this could be due to El Nino and La Nina cycle. They are alternating patterns of drop and head heavy rainfall may cancel each other over a decade. Also, the short-term time frame may not be long enough to capture noticeable changes. Lastly, local factors like urban heat island and lands use changes could be moderating rainfall intensity. In summary, the temperature trend showed no significant increase, likely due to regional influences and short-term variability. For rainfall, natural fluctuations and the limited timeframe explain the lack of significant changes. Overall, regional climate variability and the analyzed timeframe play a essential role in the understanding local climate trends, even if they don't align with global expectations. For the next slide, my friend will provide insight into qualitative analysis.
Let's look at the qualitative analysis of the Gold Coast Jetboat reviews. First, the thrill factors. It's pure adrenaline. Customers describe it as extreme adventure and adrenaline boosting. It's fast, fun, and unforgettable. The stuff are big highlights. Visitors talk about Toby, the rockstars, and Jake, who make it fun. Their humor and energy make the ride even better. The ride is ideal for all ages, with safety features like lockers and life vests, making it secure and fun for everyone. Many describe it as unforgettable, saying we will definitely be back with friends and families. Getting wet is part of the fun. One customer said don't expect to stay dry. The splashes added the excitement. Finally, most reviews are 5 stars, showing just how much people enjoy the experience. Here's our mind map. You may pause the videos to view. Let's briefly touch on environmental challenges. Jet boats release carbon dioxide, contributing to global warming. Hybrid engines could help but are rarely used. Noises from boating and shoreline erosion disrupt marine life, while coral reefs near high traffic areas lose biodiversity. Rising sea level and extreme weather threaten tourism infrastructures. Ocean warming weakens corals and causes bleaching, threatening 90% of reef globally. Tourists prefer eco-friendly options and operators risk losing customers without sustainable practices. Tourism must embrace greener solutions. Thank you.
Let's move on to the recommendation part. First, I summarize the key issues of the whole presentation. Global warming may cause stronger storm in the Gold Coast, while areas could face longer droughts and more extreme weather events like El Nino and La Nina. It is also leading to the changes in rainfall patterns. Over the last decades, temperature and rainfall data from the Gold Coast have not shown the expected trends. Visitors to Surfer Paradise on the Gold Coast often give high ratings for its unique service and experience. Recommendations: Tourism Australia should create rules to support eco-friendly and tourism and educate travelers about climate change with green ads. Destination owners should use climate-friendly strategies and upgrade green facilities. And travelers can take eco-friendly actions and choose low-carbon transportations. Finally, let's move on to the conclusion part. The challenge of global warming requires collective actions. With its unique nature, attractions, and high dependence on tourism, the Gold Coast is seriously hit by climate change. To solve these issues, stakeholders must take sustainable, innovative actions connected with SDG 13. These will protect ecological treasures, maintain global tourism appeal, and ensure the Gold Coast sustainability for future generations. Here's our references, and thank you for listening.